Hey guys, today I will be teaching you the pole side. Alright, so some things you'll need for this trick is a ledge like so, Super America, and certain tricks that will help you out with getting the pole side down. Something you'll need for this trick, which is I'd say two of them, is a palm side and a standing side, and those look like this. So what you want to do is you want to climb up on your local electrical box like so, and you want to get into the position. So what you basically want to do is you want to have your knees, I'd say about a foot away from the ledge, and you want to have your fingertips on the edge of the ledge like this, almost like you're stretching. You don't want to have your hands like this because then you're going to get no pull that way, you're just going to fall. Alright? And it's really important to get a really nice pull in this trick. And the reason for that is because this trick, your head gets sometimes slightly close to the ledge. I'm not saying it's going to hit, but it gets close, and to avoid clipping, I would pull, and I try to push away with my right hand. I want you to get really comfortable with this, just this motion. Just like that. Turning to the side and pivoting. Now as you can see, I bring my right knee actually up when I go for it, instead of just having them back here, mainly because there's like a little lip right here. But what I like to do is I like to bring my knee forward, put my knee about right here, put my knee back, and I push with my hand. After I pull, I push away, and I trick a normal side flip. So this motion, when you do a side flip with your arm, is very important here. And since you don't have much room to do that here, you have to kind of almost use this as an assist. It doesn't do very much, but it makes it kind of look cool, and it's a little bit more helpful. So basically what you want to do is you want to pull, slap. Alright, and look.
You scared me. No, like I literally jumped.
My bad. So you want to pull. I look over to my left side like a normal side, like I'm doing it. Look on my left, and then I push. So it should look like this if I can do a good one. Just like that. Alright? So as you can see, what I did is I pulled really hard instead of just going like and just toppling off, because you won't get any rotation that way. You'll just kind of flop on your side, which would not feel good, and your head will get a little closer to you. Basically what you want to do is you just want to pull really hard, like this, like almost kind of like you're doing a, what do you call it, Allie?
Pulling?
Okay, fine. You just want to pull really hard, I guess. Almost like, like your Kong ball. Like if you're doing a Kong and you're pulling with your arms like this. Except for put your fingertips over. That part is really important. I cannot express that enough. Alright? So, I'll go over one more time. It is pull, push, and tuck. And tuck tight. Alright? I'll show you some slow-mos and I'll walk over it. So it's pull, slap, tuck. Alright? So basically that is the pole side tutorial. That is the most I can teach you about it. But what is really cool about this move is you can like kind of combo into it a little bit, like so. Let's see if I can do this my first try. You can do like coffee grinders, all these type of fun things into it. So this trick, a lot of fun, cool to combo out of. It's pretty easy. All you really need is a side flip and palm side off the wall. Other than that, there's not much more I can teach you about it. Oh, and maybe a side roll. Side rolls are easy. I'm pretty sure you figure that on your own. Try it in the gym first. It's not too dangerous. I suggest going off something maybe a little bit higher than this for your first time. But other than that, that is the pole side tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want more tutorials and my sexy girlfriend recording, you subscribe and follow her on Instagram at Allie_Dornbos. I'll put it right here. See, right here. Allie Dornbos. Right here. The sexy woman. Other than that, that is the pole side. I almost said palm side. That is the pole side tutorial, and I will see you later.